there's, see that truck there? If I'm not mistaken, that's one of the Hellas, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, company that has provided the turf for the stadium. I think earlier in the month they made another trip out here to finish off whatever it is they install. There's the brand there. They are the ones responsible for that artificial turf that you guys all love. You know, I love natural grass, so, but just wasn't gonna happen for this stadium. And unfortunately, some of the old Hollywood Park trees are kind of in the way otherwise. I could get some better shots here of this truck that states SoFi Stadium being home of the LA Rams and LA Chargers. We've got several team members up on the roof again today, so we'll take a look at that. There's some kind of long tube. I can see their a couple guys handling some kind of tubes from my small viewfinder. And let's see over here at the San Vicente food court area. Pizza place. We got some workers in that vicinity. See, can we see any Charger flags up there? No, the only one I saw was over there on the north end. These are just your safety flags. And you can see the sheathing still going up here at the performance venue. Can't really tell what's going on over here. Saga continues of finishing the roof. Here in the parking lots, still have a lot of staged trees. And we'll look out toward Century and Prairie, toward that commercial development. And there's a view of the SoFi signage on the roof. And you can see some more extensive work going on here. They got a little crane going for this, one of the mini signs around the property that will be going up. Looks like they hoisted up a big piece here, kind of a panel. And we got another lift over here where one of the SoFi signs will go. Looks like they're doing some more work behind where the panel will go. Maybe it's electrical work, but can't wait to see that. We start to give it a finished look once the signs go up. See, the back side of the performance venue is taking shape a little bit better now. I think I'm finally seeing some ETFE up here, so maybe this north section of the roof is finally going to get covered up in the coming days or so. You can see on those retractable panels, they've added something here to it. Some kind of a backing. I know there's like a little bit of a gap there, so maybe that's something that fills the gap on some of those that do retract. Keep them a little more weatherproof. I think that's some of the remaining ETFE. And you got a little bit more behind those bars. And these bars, it looks similar to what they put over in the north side, where they have a SoFi Stadium sign. I don't think there's going to be another sign over here, but I'm curious about the functionality of these bars here. And this is way over here on the southern end. See, these bars extend all the way across. Some signage here.